Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying essentials. Ensure your machine has the CPU power and at least 8 GB RAM plus 50 GB free disk. Once done, locate the FC26 installer and your license key on a USB or network share so you won't stop mid-flow. Make sure to back up existing configs and jot down custom ports, usernames, and file paths. This saves time during migration. Now initiate the installer and choose the clean or upgrade option, depending on your backup state. You'll proceed through the installer prompts, selecting target disk, partitions, and the file system type. Pick what matches your backups and performance needs. Next, configure networking with a static IP, DNS, and gateway, and open only necessary firewall ports. This prevents connectivity issues later. Install core packages first so dependencies resolve cleanly, and delay optional modules until the base system boots. Once the installer finishes package tasks, reboot into the fresh environment and confirm base services. Finish by verifying all services. Inspect logs, confirm daemons run, and perform end-to-end tests of critical functions. Once validated, restore your saved configurations, update credentials and file permissions, and run a full system update. This locks in security fixes. If something goes wrong, first scan relevant logs to isolate the error. If unclear, roll back to your snapshot or reinstall only the failing components. A key tip: try a safe mode boot to gather diagnostics before making drastic changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.